If you're trying to format your videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, and all that, this video will show you how to do it within Adobe Premiere Pro. Normally our videos are 16 by 9, so all we're doing is just flipping that and making it 9 by 16. So this process won't take long at all, but stick to the end because I got an important tip that'll help you upload your videos better. Once you have your video clips in place, make sure you select or highlight all of them. So in this example, I just got one clip, but say if you had like 5, you'll select all 5. After that, go to the top, your toolbar, go to sequence settings, and from here you see the frame size. So that's what we're going to be changing. You see right now it's 16 by 9, and like I said, all we're doing is just flipping that. So besides 1920 by 1080 is going to be 1080 by 1920. And it's other different frame sizes for other cases. I'll throw that up on the screen right here. I'll keep it in the video description box below as well if you want to check it out. Just, if you need it, but I doubt it. All right, once you click out, you'll see it changed to 9 by 16. So we're going to select OK, and then select OK a second time. It's just asking you, are you sure you want to change it? Okay, two more things left. So now we have it changed. The only thing that's left is like position and scaling your video clips or text, whatever you have, to where it looks good on the phone. I will say one tip, like some, I know YouTube Shorts, maybe TikTok. I don't really use TikTok, so I'm not sure about TikTok. But they have like the text and everything at the bottom, so you got to make sure that you leave space at the bottom so it doesn't like cut off your face or anything like that. And lastly, I just want to point out that it's better if you save the video to your phone and upload it to the app that way versus trying to go to the website on your computer and upload it that way, because at least for YouTube Shorts, when I try to do it from my computer, it just weirdly kept the same 16 by 9 format. I don't know why, but when I uploaded it from my phone, it worked the way it's supposed to be. So I'm assuming that's the same case for Instagram and TikTok, but I'm not familiar with those out, so I can't tell you for sure, but that's my last tip. But all right, y'all, so if this helped you out, let me know down below for this video. That's all I have for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.